NVAX Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Novavax, I see just a bigger correction that's been going on for quite some time here. I've done 36,000 videos, I spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've seen what's working for me and what's not. That being said, with Novavax, I'm just honestly looking to take things up and buy even more. I mean, I'm not even trying to be like this douchebag here, but that's the truth and the reality. The only thing that makes sense for me to do here is buy the moment I start seeing shifts. But because it's kind of down 6%, nothing unusual, the whole market is down. I'm just still living on the fact that we expanded, and this is typically how big things start. So that's why, like I mentioned, I'm not gonna buy just yet, but only if I see a shift. And yeah, I mean, so oversimplifying this has been like the biggest factor for me, honestly. Like even I don't think that I have anything regarding this here. But like generally speaking, it's been mentioned so many times on this YouTube channel. It's absolutely crazy. By the way, if you want to join the community for 470 people and want a secret 3-step strategy exclusive that only you can find here to make more money in a simple way in just weeks, blueprints, then just click the first link in the description, because this is going to be deleted in a few days.